this video, I'll demonstrate the user insertion form. This form allows adding user records into MySQL database through a web interface. I used XAMPP, which includes the Apache web server, and MySQL managed via PHP MyAdmin, and I used PHP for backend processing and HTML and CSS for the frontend. I used a local server environment hosted on my machine using XAMPP. Set up your XAMPP by installing it from the official website, and after installing, just open it. It will ask for your system's password. Now go to Manage Servers and run the MySQL database in the Apache web server. Now that they've started running, let's go to our application. Let's create a new database. Let's call it YouTube, and the first table would be user. You can either add the values or just write an SQL query. Okay, our rows are created. Now we have to use PHP and insert values into the database. Now go to your applications and open the XAMPP folder. Inside the HD docs, create a new folder, which is this one. I named it database 772, and this folder will have all your files to this form. Now go to Visual Studio Code and open the folder and create a new file, which will be, let's just call it user, and this will have all the code to your form. I've already created one, so I'll just use this. Save this up and then open your this and just type localhost and whatever you name the folder and your PHP file. This is the form. Now let's add details to fill the database. Okay, this everything is correct in this, so it added it successfully. Now let's try to do an invalid one. I'll just type the same details. So as we've already inserted the same details, it shows us an error. This is a PHP file. Now let me explain how this works. The form collects user input and sends it via a POST request to the PHP script. Then the script performs data validation to ensure mandatory fields are filled and the email format is correct. If the validation fails, it displays an appropriate message, and if the validation passes, it securely hashes the password using password hash and inserts the record into the database. If the insertion is successful, it displays a success message. Otherwise, it shows the specific error. And this is the CSS and HTML for the form.